Sino nakita namin dito sa Sansescan? Yes, our brother in El Shaddai. He's also here in Saskistan and a priest. Yes, after the cheese market and Alkmaar, we are here now in Sansescan. We want to show them the windmills. Look over there. Here in Saskiskan, there's a lot of windmills. Windmills. Picture tayo sa mga windmills dito sa Sansescan. There's a lot of tourists now because it's summer, of course. This is one of the few popular tourist destinations, Sansescan, because of their windmills. And here also, look, the wooden shoes. They have a wooden shoes museum here in Sansescan. So if you come to Sansescan, don't forget to watch. They have a demo how they make the clock shoes, the wooden shoes, the Netherlands wooden shoes. This is, kung meron tayong bakya, sila ay may wooden shoes. So kita mong giveaway, souvenirs, wooden shoes, super dami. They also have in different sizes. So for sure, makakakuha kayo ng size nyo because there's a lot of sizes here by the Wooden Shoes Museum. And they have a different color, different sizes, and it's beautiful. There's for children, for growing up, o diba? So there's a lot of souvenir here by the Wooden Shoes Museum, Clock Museum. Clock, actually, it's called in the Netherlands. The clock. Yeah. Ayun, nagde-demo. So may nagde-demo so you can listen how they will make their wooden shoes here in the Netherlands. Ayan. Medyo may kabigatan. Pero pag sanay ka siguro, madaling isuot. Yeah. But some people still using wooden shoes. Yung mga farmers, parang sa farmers may wooden shoes pang ginagamit. And there's a lot of new actually design ng wooden shoes nila with leather, matching leather pa. O diba? So this is the leather shoes, the wooden shoes here in Sansescan. Yes. And outside of the wooden shoes, you can make picture. There's also big wooden shoes that na pwede kayong sumakay. It's like a boat. The wooden shoes here outside is like a boat. And of course, you can walk and you can see all the windmills. They even have diamond shop here. But of course, windmills, they have small, big windmills, and the windmills also are open. So you can also go inside. Yes. You can go inside the windmills to here in Sansescan. That's all. So don't forget, it's just near in Amsterdam. It's just 30 minutes. This is Sansescan. You will see a lot of windmills. So if you come to the Netherlands, don't forget to pass by and visit Sansescan, the Netherlands, with the Wooden Shoes Museum and also the windmills.